Welcome to VandergriffChevrolet. We are absolutely unbeatable.
This great 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500 is backed by GM's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain limited warranty. It's equipped with a responsive 5.3-liter V8 engine, a fluid automatic transmission, has rear-wheel drive, and has only 1,737 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include an RDS audio system with a satellite link and CD player which can read MP3s, a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system, and steering wheel-mounted remote audio controls. It also gets an estimated 20 miles per gallon on the highway, and 14 in the city. Carfax estimates that this vehicle has had one owner, and for your comfort this short crew cab truck has a voice-activating system and air conditioning, and not to mention that it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include driver and passenger front airbags with multi-stage deployment and passenger seat occupant sensors. Carfax has not received any information indicating that the airbags have been deployed. All GM-certified vehicles pass a rigorous 117-point inspection and reconditioning process, to ensure that you can drive away with no worries. Call or come by today to arrange a test drive.
VandergriffChevrolet, the Metroplex's volume leader, is located at 1200 Interstate 20 West, Arlington, Texas, just across from the Parks Mall in South Arlington.